On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, Minitruck? Take a ride to Harbor Freight. Actually, let's see if this Mercury has that restrictor plate. Take the restrictor plate off.
Give the Red Dragon a little more juice.
Put that on the down low. I had a subscriber tell me that there's a restrictor plate on these 2.5s and it makes them have almost an extra half or 1 horsepower. So it's worth a look. There's nothing restricting in there. I just see the reeds in there. Oh well. It was worth a look. Those probably the older ones that they put the restrictor on. Right, now I think we're ready to go to Harbor Freight to get a 20-ton press. CB's busy. Key tags and stickers to send out. Just about out of the round stickers. I don't know if I'm going to reorder them or not. Scared me. What the hell is going on here, Mini? Too much junk in the trunk? Check that when I get to the post office. You going out? Thank you. How the heck did that happen? Way too much junk. Too much junk in the trunk. Everybody's waiting for your supercharger video, Mini. I just don't want to take it apart and do all that and have you less reliable, so gotta get myself worked up to get that done. See it right through the back window, touching his phone. Kinda like you, Mini. Oh, Home Depot. It's got flip sides and everything. Say hi to Tyler and Tommy, Mini. This will be good for the boat. Instant savings, $8. Oh, someone's hitting their Mini, blowing a horn when someone hits their unlock button real close to it. Don't know why it does that. Yeah, this will work good. I could put my gas and a whole bunch of extra stuff in there and then attach this somehow to the boat. Yeah, right up front. Right where that triangle is. Alright, you can help me load it, right? Yeah. Right here, my Minitruck. Thank you. Have a good day. What the heck? Gonna give my old press to Matt. I've had that old press 30 years. Go, Mini, go! line is up here, guys. Now you can text again. Years of service. When I have to retire you. Yeah, I didn't even use that. I kept forgetting to buy the supplies to, put in it and make a crock pot meal. Sorry. Maybe the next trip. Couple months. Yeah, see, it's all together except the legs, which this is probably the legs. Yeah, and the thing that goes across. So we gotta bolt the legs. Oh, that actually comes out too.
Wow, that's big.
Well,
that's what she said.
Oh, this is how they want you to do it?
Mm-hmm. Square. Looks pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Is it? Yep.
Seems pretty good.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Ow. Fuck you, motherfucker. Look at nice big blood blister there. You good?
Looks good.
Alright. I haven't had a good one of those in a while. The jack goes on there and that sits in here. We got to bolt up the spring. Put that bolt in there. They should have supplied 2 more nuts to lock these eye bolts. They should have one bolt to hold this from moving, huh? Maybe it'll never move. Who the heck knows? Yeah, I know. Look, there's a big old hunk of where they cut and someone screwed up a little.
Yeah. Look at these big circle ones you have now, though.
I know.
As an option.
Probably gonna have to go down one anyway. That'll work. That's it. Let's see an axle get stuck now.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.